Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Coinspot account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Coinspot account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Coinspot application. The official page of Coinspot application will appear on the screen. Click on Not a Member Sign Up Today option. On the next page, enter your email address and create a password for your Coinspot account, then tap on Create Account option. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. You can also use a referral or affiliate code if you want to, or else you can also simply skip the process. This is how you can sign up for your Coinspot account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.